Hi, it's Courtney from iDent. There's a lot of demand out there for dry erase products, but options have been limited to standard mount-to-wall whiteboards like these. Recently, we've developed some new, more customizable and affordable options. This product works just like other dry erase products, except it comes as a roll of adhesive vinyl, giving us the flexibility to make a range of shapes and sizes, print directly on the product, and peel and stick to almost any surface. Not to mention, it's magnetic. You have the option to mount the adhesive vinyl to a hard surface for temporary or portable applications, or slap it up on the wall for something more permanent. Our mounted options come with 4 strips of removable 3M Velcro to make mounting to the wall hassle-free. We've used them to mount our custom sales whiteboard to our wall here. We also have some pre-made templates available, such as this sign-in, sign-out board, which can be mounted to a lightweight piece of Sintra, like this one, or kept as an adhesive decal. So the next time you need anything dry erase, ask us about our new magnetic dry erase products.